Which
stand up.
motion hurts more
This.
on your wrist?
Yeah.
Going into extension?
Yeah.
Push with your elbow back. That was easy.
Oh my goodness.
Breathe in. And just let everything fall. Drop it. Drop. Good. Hold my wrist as strong as you can. Tighter. Stronger. And now release. There it is. Good. Breathe in. And out. And relax your shoulders. Good. There's some tightness in your wrist, so we'll have to keep working on that and work to release the muscles here.